If you or someone you know buys candles, if you buy a bunch of them at some specialty stores, you get these really pretty solid fiber board slash heavy duty paper separators. I use these for organizing parts when I'm taking things apart or I'm building something. These are so sturdy. They really hold a lot of things. They keep them all separated. And when I'm rotating my tires, I actually use these for putting lug nuts in and the different things that I use for working on the car. They go underneath the vehicle. They hold parts really well. You can put a magnet in the bottom of them and it'll keep little tiny parts together and separate from everything else. So when it comes to putting stuff back together and getting it going, everything is very accessible. Having one or two of these around, they don't have a real high profile. I'm guessing this is probably over 14 inches long and maybe 10, 12 inches, 3, 4 inches high. But if you ever come across one of these, don't throw it away. Try using it for an organizer first.